My name is Paul Hebert, and I survived a serious electrical shock. And I'm here today to share my experience with you so you don't have to live through what I lived through. I worked as a utility worker for 20 years. I was called out to repair some lines. And what happened is I didn't use a proper tag out and lockout. And I didn't use the specialized PPE I was supposed to use. Another reason, it was cold, it was wet, we got into a hurry, and it was a perfect blend for a disaster. I remember when the voltage hit me, the high voltage, it felt like 1,000,000 gallons of water. The pressure inside my body was just incredible. It's like I was going to blow up. But what was going through my mind is I'd been married for a week. I thought I wouldn't see my wife again. I'll never see my kids again. I'll never see my mom and dad again. I figured that was it. I was done. Afterwards, when I had time for it to sink in, as they were doing the amputations, what it felt like is I was losing my identity one piece at a time. And at the end, I felt like I had lost myself. When I see safety programs developed today, I see big changes, big improvements. 21 years ago, we didn't have the workers' education like we have today. The safety programs, the training, the supervision, we didn't have that. We were trained to work. And if we would have had this training back then, we wouldn't have had all these incidents we had. And I think if you take this safety training serious, the electrical trade is very safe. But we can't cut corners. We have to take it serious. If I could send a message to all the electrical workers today, I would say we cannot ignore practices and procedures. It's a serious trade. You have to be a team player. You have to care for one another. If you see someone making a mistake, warn them, help them. You have to empower one another. If you see hazards, warn each other of the hazards. And the ultimate goal is to go home every day.